Each year, production bottlenecks and mechanical inefficiencies cost global manufacturing billions. The question is, what are they costing you? By 2020, Gartner estimates more than 26 billion highly differentiated devices will be connected to the internet, generating volumes of valuable data. How effectively and efficiently businesses can deliver actionable intelligence in a consumable way to decision makers can very well determine both their competitive advantage and opportunity for cost savings. The potential of this actionable intelligence is encapsulated in Thingworx Analytics, an integrated capability of the Thingworx platform. Thingworx Analytics enables developers to quickly create, operationalize, and embed predictive, simulative analytics into the solutions they create. The generation of information is completely automated, enabled from within a Thingworx-powered solution. Thingworx Analytics delivers, analyzes, and presents clear, easy-to-follow system information anywhere in real time. So, how does it work? Let's take a look. Flowserve is a leading manufacturer of flow management products. Their pumps help move, control, and protect the flow of materials in critical industries around the world. If one of these pumps goes down, the costs and lost opportunity can run into the millions. This rig uses a Flowserve pump, similar to those used in critical industries to circulate water. It has been retrofitted with 6 sensors provided by National Instruments, and a high-performance computing solution from Hewlett-Packard Enterprise is enabling analysis of the data. Thingworx machine learning allows you to know more, do more, and get more from a machine like this. What you're seeing at work here is the automated edge sensor analytics technology behind the platform called ThingWatcher, part of the Thingworx Analytics capabilities. Each sensor reading that has a learning flag above it tells ThingWatcher Analytics to learn normal operating conditions. Remarkably, the automated process does not require you to predetermine any hard and fast rules. It learns in real time about its environment. Determining what's normal and abnormal from the sensors themselves, the software then correlates the information with peak efficiency conditions. The OK indicators you see here tell you the sensors have learned what normal is and are functioning well, with no anomalies detected. To the left, you'll see future predictions, 3 outcomes predicted by the platform's Thing Predictor technology. The automation you're witnessing real time is Thingworx Analytics evaluating the remaining number of days until each of these failures is likely to occur next. What's truly extraordinary about all of this is that there is no need for anyone to be constantly monitoring the machine. It is instead being self-evaluated all the time at a rate of 30,000 readings per second per sensor. We've turned on the pump rig to demonstrate what happens if something changes or goes wrong. Well, let's make a few things go wrong on this pump to show Thingworx Analytics working in real time. We're going to simulate a reduction in flow by closing this valve. As you can see, the software immediately responds to the change of flow. What's happening is that ThingWatcher is automatically detecting the flow problem and sending real-time notifications or alerts. Critical sensor readings are being flagged, pump efficiency is dropping, and the impeller is at risk of failing if the problem is not immediately addressed. When maintenance is delivered, the numbers return to normal. So as you can see, the problem can be resolved before it becomes an expensive pump failure or serious downtime occurs. Let's throw another problem at the system and see how it works. I'm going to shift the alignment of the pump by lifting the main housing through the pull of this black bar. You can hear something is wrong. But let's imagine a remote monitoring situation and there's no technician around to hear this, so you need to rely on real-time monitoring. Thingwatcher is reading anomalies to flag negative changes to the pump efficiency gauge, which immediately triggers. The system can also simultaneously send an automated phone call to a technician, alerting them of the problem. Once the problem is resolved, the numbers return to their normal state. You can imagine the level of control and visibility this technology can provide within your central fleet, offering an incredibly responsive view of the usage and condition of pumps all around the world from one location. This demonstration featuring PTC's predictive service solution is just one example of the hundreds of ways the transformative power of machine learning delivers value. Through that power, the Thingworx platform enables unprecedented access to connected intelligence synchronized to your machines. A platform of data analysis and systems learning delivered with utter simplicity. Out of the box, the platform helps machines teach themselves using information to predict, detect, and even fix production hangups.